The Gardyn Nursery makes germinating new Y-cubes fast and painless. Notice the 3 pieces to the nursery: tray, insert, and dome. Gardyn Nursery is simple to assemble and use. The insert fits into the tray and the dome goes on top. Add water to the designated fill line in the cells. Gradually add water to one cell and wait a few seconds for the level to equalize. All the cells are connected and the water can flow between them. Next, place in the pods you want to germinate. Add the dome to cover and voila! Your plants are on their way to sprouting. For most species, germination happens in 1 to 2 weeks. Check your nursery periodically for sprouts. No need to add more water since the included dome helps trap in humidity. The Gardyn Nursery is designed to fit beautifully on the garden lid without blocking light from your plants. Using the Gardyn Nursery improves germination success and speed, so you can always keep growing. Please reach out to our team if you have any questions or concerns. As always, grow healthy, live tasty.